Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jewelry cleaner is probably one of the most important purchases you will make to keep your precious jewelry sparkling and looking its best, and in this video, we will explore the top-rated jewelry cleaner liquids available on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect cleaner to maintain your cherished pieces, ensuring they retain their brilliance and beauty for years to come. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. Give your treasured jewelry the care it deserves. Our CONNOISSEURS Premium Cleaner is specially formulated for gentle yet effective cleaning. We offer 3 formulas to suit your jewelry needs: fine, silver, and delicate. Select the one that's right for your precious pieces. This formula is perfect for your most delicate and valuable pieces. It gently cleans without harsh chemicals. Bring back the shine to your silver jewelry. It's designed to remove tarnish and restore luster. Ideal for intricate designs and softer metals, this cleaner provides a gentle yet thorough clean. Get more cleaning power for your money with our value-sized bottle. It's perfect for regular cleaning and maintenance. Trust CONNOISSEURS to keep your jewelry sparkling and looking its best. Experience the difference today. What we like. This cleaner is a premium edition with a value size, perfect for those with extensive fine jewelry collections. If you have many delicate pieces that require special care, this is the best option for you. It's designed to gently yet effectively clean your most treasured items, ensuring they maintain their brilliance and shine for years to come. What people say. The CONNOISSEURS Premium Edition Jewelry Cleaner is the perfect solution for keeping your fine, silver, or delicate jewelry looking its best. Available in 3 formulas tailored to specific needs: fine jewelry, silver, and delicate, this value-size 9.6-ounce bottle offers an easy and effective way to restore shine and brilliance to all your precious pieces. The cleaner works gently but effectively, removing dirt, oils, and tarnish without damaging your jewelry, leaving it with a brilliant, like new shine. It was simple and worked great. All the grime came right off like it never happened, and the brush was gentle, so no scratching. Once dried, it had all its sparkle back. Excellent for cleaning silver. My silver jewelry looks like new again. Number 4. iSonic CSGJ01 Cleaner. This is the iSonic CSGJ01, an ultrasonic cleaning solution concentrate, perfect for your jewelry and eyeglasses. It's easy to use and will leave your valuables sparkling. It effectively removes smudges, lotions, and fingerprints. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to sparkling clean items. This solution is ideal for cleaning diamonds, other jewelry, and watches. It also makes eyeglasses crystal clear, restoring their shine. It's a concentrate, so a little goes a long way. Simply mix it with water using a ratio of 120 to 1 to 140. Bring back the sparkle to your precious jewelry and eyeglasses with iSonic CSGJ01. It's the simple solution for brilliant results. Just mix it with water according to the instructions and use it in your ultrasonic cleaner. It's that simple. What we like. This concentrate is designed for use with ultrasonic cleaners, maximizing its cleaning power. If you are looking for a highly effective way to clean your jewelry, especially items with intricate designs or hard-to-reach areas, then this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a deep clean and sparkling results. What people say. Firstly, the concentrate is formulated to work effectively with ultrasonic cleaners, making it ideal for both professional and home use. It efficiently removes dirt, grime, oils, and other residues from jewelry items such as rings, necklaces, and earrings, as well as eyeglasses and sunglasses. The cleaning action is thorough yet gentle, ensuring that delicate gemstones, metals, and lenses are not damaged during the cleaning process. It is easy to use. Simply dilute the concentrate with water according to the instructions, and it provides consistent cleaning performance. It performs as expected. Used a sonic cleaner and added this solution for cleaning my watch. After 5 minutes, you can see that the dirt has come off. Number 3. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner. It's formulated to safely clean gold, platinum, silver, diamonds, and more. This cleaner is gentle yet effective on various materials. Bring back the sparkle to your rings in minutes. It's brilliant on diamonds, silver, and gold, and it's gentle on your precious pieces. It safely cleans soft stones, pearls, and all metal types. It breaks down buildup without harming delicate jewelry. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's a great eco-friendly choice. It comes with a convenient dip tray. Simply dip your jewelry for up to 3 minutes, brush, and rinse for sparkling results. What we like. This gentle formula is safe for all types of jewelry, including delicate pieces. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to clean all your jewelry without harsh chemicals, this is the perfect choice. Its ammonia-free formula is kind to both your jewelry and the environment. What people say. It's gentle enough to use every day, so a daily 2-minute soak and occasional light scrubbing with the brush, which is included, is plenty to keep it clean and sparkly. It feels soapy, not corrosive, it rinses off easily and doesn't smell bad like some other cleaners I've used in the past. Sterling shines up beautifully, none of the stones set in silver were harmed, and lesser metals cleaned up too. Number 2. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaning Kit. It's the best way to clean all your precious jewelry. It's gentle yet effective, bringing back the sparkle to your favorite pieces. This kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning. You get a cleaning solution, a brush, and polishing cloths for a brilliant shine. It's safe to use on gold, silver, diamonds, pearls, and more. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate pieces. It safely cleans and removes tarnish from gold and other precious metals. It's tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on your jewelry. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's kind to the planet and your jewelry. Simply dip, brush, and polish. It's so easy to use, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can restore your jewelry's shine. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a complete jewelry cleaning experience. If you like convenience and want a simple yet effective way to clean your jewelry, this kit is for you. The included cloths add an extra layer of polishing for an exceptional shine. What people say. Cleans jewelry as expected without the harsh smells. I used the solution twice to remove a year's worth of junk in sunscreen, sweat and tarnish from my Disney Pandora jewelry. Then the cloth to have it shining like new. It made the Cuban link bracelet dance again with how shiny it was. This pack is nice because it comes with the brush and towel which are helpful to use after the soak. Number 1. Dyne Ultrasonic Cleaner. It's formulated to deeply clean and restore sparkle and luster to your precious jewelry. Bring back that brilliant shine. It contains a powerful chelating agent that binds metal ions for an ultra-effective deep clean. Experience a cleaning unlike any other. This unscented, non-toxic, and extra concentrated solution is safe for your jewelry. It's perfect for bringing back that like-new sparkle. It's tested, developed, and manufactured in the USA in a certified facility. We stand by our customers and our product quality. Just 1 capful per 16 ounces of water is all you need. 2 bottles provide enough solution for 72 uses in an ultrasonic cleaner. If you don't have an ultrasonic machine, you can still use it with soft bristles or an old toothbrush. It's versatile and effective either way. What we like. This extra concentrated formula is ideal for use with ultrasonic jewelry cleaners, providing a deep clean. If you own an ultrasonic cleaner and want to maximize its cleaning power, this is the perfect solution. It's formulated to remove even the most stubborn dirt and grime, restoring your jewelry's original sparkle. What people say. It really shines everything nicely. So easy, just add some water and soak the jewelry for a few minutes and comes out sparkling. It makes your jewelry look great, and when I visit I use it to make my jewelry look shiny and new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.